You ever had one of them days where you might have regretted what you did? It's one of them days. Wind's blowing pretty hard today. Supposed to get 20 to 40 mile an hour gusts, and where am I at? Sawmill. Why? Because I got orders. Fun day. You hit nails, hit knots, hit a nail and a knot at the same time. That's even better.
You gotta tell everybody why you're working on the mill during the week now?
I retired after 30 years of trucking. I just decided, you know what, I've had enough. It was time to do something different. I paid my dues. I earned the right to do this. If I can make a couple $1,000s a month sawing lumber, enough to pay for the mill, pay me back what I got into it, enough to keep the lights and water on and groceries on the table, good enough. I give two craps less anymore. I love sawing, and that's all I'm gonna do. The Belsaw, it's a light duty mill, but I kind of like it. Stick around, we're milling out blue pine. Right now I got orders for 52 by 4 by 12s, 61 by 6 by 12s, some 5 by 6 by 101s, some 2 by 8s, and 2 by 10s. The logs on top like that, we're getting ready for hurricane gust winds of whatever. I can't pick that up. I broke my breastbone here a couple of weeks ago, and doing a lot of work just really aggravated. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Hope y'all are doing good. It's a good day. Every day I run the mill is even better because I'm happy. Stick around.
I'm done.